Hello everyone, welcome back to RAFTHELSA Vlogs. This is my new DIY project. This one is a DIY candle decorated with the product of the nature. Look at this, guys. My candle holder is a molder of the jelly. Look at this. This jelly, I just keep it downward and look at my candle. Look at this. So this is the molder. So I recycled it as my candle stand or candle holder. And this candle is a plain white candle, pillar type. Look at this. I just decorated it with the leaves of the autumn leaves. This is a real autumn leaves, red color. I brush it with glue and sprinkle it with red glitters. And here also is yellow leaves, and I sprinkle it with the yellow glitters to look more attractive. And here also is red leaves, autumn leaves. This is a real autumn leaves. I brush it with the glue and sprinkle it with the red glitters. And this flowers is an artificial flowers. I just fix it here to look more attractive and presentable. And here, this one is also all real autumn leaves. This is red, yellow, and brown, but I sprinkle it with the yellow glitters. And this one I retouch with the yellow nail polish, and I put the glitters. And this one is red leaves, original red leaves, and I retouch with the red nail polish like this, and sprinkle with the red glitters in order to look beautiful. I just decorated around this jelly molder. And here, this is the real pine cones. I just brush it with white paint, and this one is a small type of pine cones, flower type, painted. Now I brush it with glue and sprinkle it with golden glitters. So this is how it looks like now. This is the transformation of ordinary candle, simple candle, pillar type look. And now this is the transformation. Now it looks presentable and beautiful. So this is all made from recycled waste material from the nature, from the leaves of the autumn season and from the pine cones. And this one is also leaves from the fern leaves. This is already dried, and I spray it with a spray net in order to keep it long lasting. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial on how to transform your simple candle. And now this is an instant DIY table centerpiece for the Christmas and for all the season. You can display this one as your table centerpiece for all the season, especially for the Christmas. So please give a thumbs up, share this video, and leave a comment in order to improve my project. So to all my viewers and subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel, RAFTHELSA Vlogs. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. To everyone, thank you for watching, and keep safe and be healthy always. God bless, and see you in my next vlog. So if you want to learn how to create this one, just rewind my live tutorial on how I created all my project. Just click my channel playlist, how to create a candle holder or how to create a Christmas decorations, and you will find all my video tutorials. Maraming salamat, daghang salamat, Everesto Puli. Vielen Dank, merci beaucoup. Grazie, gracias. And I will see you again in my next tutorial. Bye bye and God bless everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Switzerland by RAFTHELSA Blogs. Please check out my other DIY tutorials so that you can find my other DIY projects for the Christmas season.